Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Home Assistant Core on Ubuntu 24.04. Home Assistant Core requires some dependencies to be installed. You can install them with the following command. Once all the dependencies are installed, you can proceed to the next step. You will also need to install the latest version of Python on your server. First, add the Python PPA using the following command. Next, install Python 3.13 with additional packages. Then, create a user account named Home Assistant and set its default shell as the following. Next, add this user to the dialout group. Continue to create a directory for your Home Assistant installation and set proper ownership. Now, log in as a Home Assistant user and navigate to the Home Assistant directory. Create a new virtual environment. Next, activate the virtual environment. Then, install the will package. You will see the following output. After that, install the Home Assistant package. Now, launch a TMUX session to run the Home Assistant. Next, run the host command to initialize the Home Assistant. This will install all the required basic dependencies on your server. Once all the dependencies are installed, open your web browser and access the Home Assistant web interface using the following URL. You will see the Home Assistant welcome page. Click on Create My Smart Home. You will see the Create User page. Define your username and password and click on Create Account. Next, set your location and click on Next. Enable your desired settings and click on Next. Click on Finish. You will see the Home Assistant dashboard page.